Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a grilled cheese Popeye. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to prepare the bread. We're going to take 2 slices, stack them up on top, and we're going to use a glass to cut a hole in there. We got that cut out, and then we do the same thing with the other bread. Alright, first up we're going to turn on the heat. Keeping it relatively on the low side since this is a fire stove. We're going to add 1 slice of bread on there. We're going to put our cheese around the edge. We got some mozzarella and some Colby. Nice little mix of flavors right there. We're going to add the other slice of bread on top, and we're going to toss in a knob of butter. As that starts to melt, we're going to get our egg ready, and we're going to press around the edges of the bread to seal the edges there. Now that butter is starting to melt right there, we're ready to toss our egg in there. We're going to let that fry up so that egg gets a nice seal on the bottom, and then we're ready to flip it. Alright, now that that's starting to toast on the bottom and get that skin going, we're going to press down a little bit of extra. Then we're going to give it a slow movement right there so we're separating the egg from the pan. Try not to break that egg, and then we're going to flip it over. And then we're going to toast the other side of the bread and make sure we finish cooking that egg. And there we have our grilled cheese Popeye. Let's cut into that bad boy and see how it looks. That nice yolk right there, and all that cheesy goodness. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.